Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce the Android 9 Pie system special for Toyota Corolla 2014 to 2015 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. You can choose time. You can choose logo. You also can set the Toyota logo from Toyota and back the home. It will show the Toyota logo. You can change this color. Any color you can adjust, change gray, blue, any color you can adjust this theme editor. Okay, let me choose red. Let me back Belsee. Okay. You can check Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car kit units. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Okay, there have two UI. Home screen you can home app you can launch. This is new UI for Android Pie system. Very fast response. Okay, all apps are here. You can check. It's built in Google Play Store and Google Maps. Let me check the text bar. You can adjust brightness. Okay. Let me check the settings. We upgraded this icon with the color. It is the icon. Okay. About machine, you can check. RAM 4GB, this is PX5. Android version is 9. Pie system. Okay. Let me back. It's built in Wi-Fi. It also can support hotspots. Okay, it's car settings. Let me check this personal setting. It will allow autoplay music when you insert USB or SD card. You can check this power off ACC. You can choose 1 hour. When you back the car in 1 hour and insert car key, it will fast boot just 1 second. Okay. This button color you can change gray, blue, orange. Any color you can change this button color. Okay. Navigation settings. You can set the maps, Google Map. It's built in Google Map. And the navigation is sound. Drum settings. It's reserve volume. You can on watch video, turn on the watch video. This is reserve backup camera setting. Okay. It's factory setting. This is car setting. It's ROM for this room 64 GB storage. 64 GB. System, you can change the language, and the date at time you can set it, and you can reset head unit, erase all, and reset tablet if your system have problem. Okay, that's all. Let me introduce Bluetooth at first. This is Bluetooth UI interface. This is my Galaxy S8 Plus, and you can turn on the Bluetooth from your phone. This is pin number 40. Click search button. It search the Galaxy S8. Please choose it. Then pair. No action, please disconnect and connect. Try again. Let me restart my phone. I think my phone have problem. It's 40 auto answer, auto connect. Okay, put my password. Start my phone. If you have any problem, please just contact to us. Okay, started. Disconnect and please turn on. Okay, get the pin number 40. So The problem is your phone, so you need to restart your phone if you doesn't pair. Okay. Okay, it shows Bluetooth echo. Okay, you can make a phone call.
您好，欢迎致电中国联通。
Okay.
目前线工作时。
You can stream music from your phone. It's volume from your phone. Okay, this is Bluetooth. There are two USB cable on back of head units. This is USB driver. When you connect it, it will play music automatically. Okay, this is music. You can set the. It's supposed to dual screen. Okay, let me check the video. It's 4K Samsung 4K demo video. Samsung 4K demo video around the world. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.